Installs in circuit panel of most homes with clamp-on sensors. Supports single-phase up to 240 VAC line neutral, single, split-phase 120/240 VAC, and three-phase up to 415 Y, 240 VAC, no delta. Panels with access only to busbars will need flexible sensors available from Emporia Energy. Includes DIY instructions, though a professional electrician is recommended. 24/7 energy monitoring. Monitor your home's real power anywhere, anytime to prevent costly repairs, conserve energy, and save costs. Monitor solar net metering. Light commercial three-phase option available as a separate bundle. Protected by a 1-year warranty. Appliance monitoring without guesswork. Comes with 16/16/50 sensors to accurately monitor your air conditioner, furnace, water heater, washer, dryer, range, etc. Lower your electric bill. Gauge real-time spending and get actionable notifications to understand where you can save costs. Real-time energy data. Requires 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi with an internet connection to monitor energy use with iPhone Android app. View sensors provide 1-second data and are accurate from plus or minus 2%. The view is UL and CE listed for your safety. 1-second data is retained 3 hours, 1-minute data is retained 7 days, 1-hour data is retained indefinitely. Export the data whenever you want in the app. Top reviews from the United States. Best energy monitoring product out there. I like this product, it is great. Been waiting for this to be sold in UK for 2 years now. So happy I have it now and installed it myself with their Emporia customer service help. They were so helpful. You get what you pay for, unlike other energy monitoring products which are expensive and have to pay subscription fee to view in their cloud. This product is a win-win.